Are you a network marketer struggling to generate 5 to 10 leads every single day for your network marketing business? I know the feeling. I've been there, right? I had the best company, the best products, the best compensation plan. I even had the best founder ever, right? And I could see people out there making money from the same system, but I struggled for years. Actually, I struggled until I cracked the code. And since I cracked the code, I've been generating consistent income online, so much so that I've traveled twice this year. I went to Malawi, I went to Turkey, and I'm just going to Belfast in 2 days for Christmas, right? Because of being able to generate leads and sales consistently for my businesses. So what I've done is I've looked back and actually documented what I've done to go from struggling, banging my head against the wall, frustrated, trying to figure out what I've done from there to where I am now, and I've put it all together. And I want to gift this to you. I want to share this knowledge because we live in an information age where knowledge is information is king, right? So I want to share it with you, but I'll also be sharing with you how I'm actually building my list by doing that, right? So if you click the link in the description, you will come across a capture page first, and then when you opt in, you can claim this course 100% free. It's a free course on how to step-by-step training on the different methods I use to generate 5 to 10 leads every single day. So let's go into my back office here. This is what you'll get. So I first created this course two Christmases ago. I created the first version, and then last Christmas I updated it, and then this Christmas, which is now, I'm actually going to update it again when I'm in Belfast, right, on holidays. So the way I'm going to update it is I'm going to start off with, after this welcome video here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce the concept of what I've done. And then I'm going to start the module with this here, right? This is a bonus, but it shouldn't be a bonus. It should be the first module. So what is this module? This module has 12 step-by-step video tutorials showing you how you can start to build your list using this all-in-one free marketing platform. You can use this platform to drive traffic to your website, to build your list manager, page builder, whatever you see. Even when you opt into this course, that is the system, the platform that I'm using to build any business, to build my list, right? So what I'm going to recommend for you to do is, if you already have a list, then you can skip that. And I'll explain this in the welcome video. But if you don't have a list, then 2024 is the perfect time for you to start building your list. And this free marketing platform is a great place for you to start, right? But if I show you no, I'm not logged in. If I was to show you, I am logged in actually. If I was to show you the inside of this platform, it can be overwhelming. There's so much going on, right? Well, what do you do? Where do you go? So what I've done is, and what I'm going to do in the updated version is, I am going to recommend that you start by going through these videos, step-by-step video tutorials. And by the end, what you do is, imagine you're sitting here beside me, you're looking over my shoulder, and you just do as I do. Pause the video, take action, right? So by the end of this, you will have all the skills that you need to use this platform correctly, okay? That's the first step. That's what you should start doing in 2024, is building your list. And if you are already building your list, what you need to do then is you need to start driving traffic to your list. So what are the methods that have worked for me? And the methods that have worked for me is organic Facebook marketing, okay? This thing here, this Facebook, you see, if I won't even start to close this, because if I start to close, there will be, I have so many messages there, right? So every time I close, another one's going to pop up. But what I was going to show you is that page is actually, I'll do this. I'll pause this. Let me pause this. Okay. What I did was I paused it and I closed the chats, right? So you see this here. This here is, I'm not here to mess around on my Facebook profile page. Mark Zuckerberg spends millions, however much he spends, he actually gets even more, right? And this platform here, it's up to you. Are you going to use it as a toy where you're wasting your time, or are you going to use it as a lead generation tool? It's a very powerful lead generation tool. It's a platform I use to generate leads on a daily basis. So you can see here, if I scroll down, 4,999 friends. Facebook allows us to have 5,000 friends. Spoiler alert or secret, I do not know a single one of those people offline. Those friends are my target audience, okay? They are my target audience, and this here is my website online, okay? It's my shop. So I'm going to teach you with this modules how to do what I've done, right? So you want your shop to be set up a certain way. And let me just pause this video to just, because I want to share some. Okay, this is what I'm going to share with you, how in this training here, how you can have posts like this. This here is a lead generation post. So the intention behind this post is for me to generate leads, right? So I teach you all this in the course, and you can see here, this is one of my successful posts where I had 271 comments and 250 reactions, right? And even had 3 shares. So this here is all part of the training here in organic Facebook marketing, okay? And then the other thing that I do to generate leads and sales is I have a YouTube channel. Now in this training, I have how many? I have 15 step-by-step video tutorials where I walk you by the hand and show you how to launch your YouTube channel from scratch. So if you don't have a YouTube channel, 2024 is the best time to start, right? The best time was yesterday, but you can always start, okay? Whenever you start where you're at, right? So one thing about YouTube is, about all these platforms is we learn through trial and error, but if you can follow a system, a proven systems, and you can follow step-by-step instructions, then everything is there for you. I have links there, I have audios, I have videos. All you have to do is apply what you learn, and you can be rest assured that you've launched your YouTube channel correctly. And then here is a platform where we can start to build our email list, right? It's a platform that gives you access to 100 fresh USA leads every single day. And I have step-by-step training on how to use a platform, because you want to get those leads that you get from that platform, you want to get them onto your email list, okay? So I have all that, and then I also have some bonuses, email swipes, so different emails here. I talk you through all this in the video, okay? And then here, if you want to build your email fast, I show you exactly where to go to get leads on demand. And I even show you exactly, we just walk you through and show you everything that you need to do, okay? And then here, if you wanted a platform where you could talk to verified network marketers, get them asking to join your opportunity, as you can see here. I have this platform, it's free to join as well, and I walk you step by step through how to use the platform. And then here, this is a powerful traffic exchange platform where if you want to be in the background, you can just post your link there, and you can view other people's ads in exchange for views to your own ads. So it's everything's time consuming, right? But what I've done is through trial and error over the years, I spent money on different things. Some have worked, some haven't. But in reflecting, in looking back, these are the ones that have worked for me. So since I created this course, I try other methods, and then if they don't work, obviously I haven't actually changed the platforms, the methods I use in the course, because they work. So if I do find something that works, I might add it in, but I haven't had to, because I have a rinse and repeat, right? I have a daily mode of operation. So every single day I go into those platforms and I do certain activities every single day. Those activities compound with time, and I end up getting leads and eventually sales as well, okay? So I'm gifting it to you. I'm giving it to you for free. If you're hungry for success, if you're committed, right? This is not the course where you have popcorn or you're distracted and you just go through it, consume it, right? No, you have to take action. You have to pause, take action. If you commit to taking action, applying what you learn, then 2024 could look different for you. And the thing about online is you could be struggling one day, and just the next week, the next month, you could actually start to see results. And those results were not had in that week or month. It's a result of all the seeds you've been planting, all the actions that you've been taking. That's what happened to me. I failed for years and years trying to figure it out. And then all of a sudden I started to win. And when I started to win, I had these tools that I could just rinse and repeat. So whatever it is that I do, I just rinse and repeat, and I always earn, I always make more than I've spent, okay? So what you want to do is you want to click the link in the description, create a free account, have a look around, right? If you have a list already, you don't have to go through that module. You can just start driving traffic to your list. And if you don't have a list, then you can use that all-in-one marketing platform to start building your list. Now, if you get stuck, you're looking for me, this is where you go, partnerwithangela.com. You can schedule a meeting with me. You can connect with me on different social networking sites. I'm here to help. And if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic